Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot X20. Today I'll show you how to manage and find display settings. Firstly, go to Settings, then tap on Display. Here we can adjust brightness level or turn on adaptive brightness. We can set wallpaper from photos or wallpapers. We can set sleep timer from 15 seconds to 30 minutes. We can turn on or turn off auto rotate screen. We can change font size and display size. We can set screensaver and breathing light. Also, we can change device theme from light to dark. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.